Hello good people, this is North back again with another video. Today I'm going to be just doing an unboxing of a number of things that I just went down another rabbit hole on, and this time it's going to be White Musk. So now I've been familiar with White Musk, but now I'm really trying to get to the bottom of why is White Musk called musk, and how is it related to dark musk? We know that there's a dark musk and a light musk, and we know that dark musk comes from the testicle, basically, of a musk deer. All of the dark musk now are synthetic because it's illegal to take the deer musk from the animal. I believe hearing where I'm at, I don't want to mention it right now. It may be possible to still get authentic black musk, but all the black musk right now are synthetic. So this is a white musk, and white musk are synthetic, meaning that they're not necessarily made from synthetic materials, but it's not from the animal. So most of it is made from florals. So this is what I've done. So I'm just going to unbox them today. I'm going to do some more research later, see if I can get to the bottom of it. I've seen a couple YouTube videos. There's one by a guy named Mason Anthony, this brother from France, but I think he was based in London. Now he's based out of Dubai. He had a whole video talking about it, but it never really got to the essence of why this one is still called musk and how it is related to the dark musk, because the dark musk is animalic and this one is not. This one is powdery, it's a clean smell, and so I'm going to try to get to the bottom of it. So anyways, the first one we're going to get to is Body Musk by Abdul Al-Qurashi. This one is considered to be a limited edition. So I have had, and I just recently got the attar, the oil of the white musk, which I've had before. I've gotten my wife it for her, and I've bought it a couple times from different places, and generally the smell is very similar. There are some differences, and that's what I'm going to see after unboxing these and being satisfied that I have enough to make a proper list. Let's get this one open. This one is supposed to be limited edition. Says, well, this particular one comes in 30 mil, comes in a eau de parfum. This is the box that it comes in. Pretty nice box. You always get this card from Abdul Al-Qurashi, based out of Saudi Arabia. Okay, so that always comes in there. And here's the 30 mil bottle. See, on this I was fooled because on here it says parfum, so I thought this was going to be an extrait. But it is not. It's considered an eau de parfum. Here, the great thing about Abdul Al-Qurashi is that their fragrances, they're always running deals online, whether you're in the States or in the EU or in Russia or in Asia. They're always running 50% off deals. So this one particularly runs for here 20 KD, which is equivalent to about $66. So this was 50% off. So this was for 30 mil, it was $33. Okay, this smells exactly like the oil, except it's not going to be as potent. So let's see what the sprayer looks like. I'll just spray a little bit. All right, so that's it. I'm really going to try this out later. I know what it smells like already, but so that's it. Abdul Al-Qurashi Body Musk. So this is considered a limited edition. Online they said that they have a 50 mil. None of the stores that I've gone into have the 50 mil. They only have the 30 mil. Next up, we have from the house of Montal, we have the White Musk from them. Okay, so this one you see is 30 KD. 30 KD is around $99, so it's around $100. And again, like I've told you before on previous videos, that Montal generally, if I was in the United States and I wanted to order this from the website, it would cost me, this one maybe 140 KD, but generally all the other ones are 170. And this is the retail price. This is not a discounted price. This is the full price for it where I'm at from this place called Al Jazeera Perfumes. Okay, so I want to get this one open because I am going to test them. Finish going down my rabbit hole. So Montal, they all come the same. They come in these boxes. You open it up, there should be a pouch. Inside the pouch, there should be a silver bottle with a stopper. Okay, so here it is. Silver bottle, White Musk. The Black Musk comes in the same bottle. Usually, a lot of the other ones, they may come in different colors. Even the Chocolate Greedy comes in this same one. You have the stopper here, all right? So I do like this when you're recording videos. I haven't recorded a lot of videos. It does tend to make a lot of noise. So here's the Montale White Musk. This one is a eau de parfum. Okay. Next up, last one. This is the last perfume that I want to show you. So this is from Arabian Oud. Arabian Oud. I'm not sure where it's based out of. If it's based out of the UAE, I believe so. So they did not have, which I saw in Fragrantica, a White Musk in a spray. They said that one was done maybe a couple years ago. So this is the latest one. This is called Shalky White. All right. So here, that's what it says. It says Shalky Abiyad. So Shalky White. Get this one open. I did test it when I was there. That's why I was like, okay, yeah, let me get this. So this one, just like Abdul Samad Qurashi, they're always running deals as well. This one was 50% off. This one was 18 KD, which is around, it's more than $50, maybe $60. And so I got this for 9 KD, which is less than 30. So let's see if we can get this one open. Okay, so here's the bottle of this, okay? This, it says it's a eau de parfum. Let's look back at the box. Eau de parfum, 100 ml for a little bit less, or around $30, $29 I got this for. It's very similar to these, all right? So for a fraction of the price, we have this. But all these White Musk, they have very similar scents. But there's slight differences. There's this, it's a clean, white, floral, right, and powdery. But they all have little slight differences. I'm not gonna spray this one, I've already sprayed two. But I will try to come back to you guys later and I will try to rate the White Musk that I have. So right now I have, oh no, right now I guess I have 3, that's all I have. Last thing I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to open this on camera, are these solid White Musk cubes. So it says 6 cubes inside. Again, this is from Abdul Samad Qurashi. All right. So it says that you can put this, either you can rub this on your body or you can like put it in your drawers to make your drawers smell nice. So that's what I want to do. I want to put them in my drawers, see if it'll, you know, keep my clothes smelling fresh. But let's try to get this open. This is my first time buying these, so we'll see how it turns out. Let's open it up. All right, these cubes, here we go. So they look smaller than I thought that they would be. Let's see what they smell like. It does not smell powdery, it doesn't smell like the perfume. It smells completely different. So we'll see. We'll see if they're any good. I'll let you know. So here we are. These are the solid musk cubes from Abdul Al Qurashi. There are other people that I saw online that sell these cubes, that sell musk cubes. I'm sure they have different scents. This is my first time seeing it. I just randomly stumbled upon it while I was looking on their website, and found it at one of the stores. Asked them how much it was. So 6 of these, 50% off, cost $10. Okay, again, they're always running sales, always. If you don't see a sale, I would never buy retail price from this place, even though all of their perfumes are very high quality. They use very good ingredients, but since they're always running sales, I would wait. If it's not one, when you look, a month later, there'll be another sale. So I'll try to come back to you guys later. Once I have everything that I feel I need to make my list of the best white musk that I have in my collection, and to see if I can come up with the answer that I have in my mind of the difference between dark musk and white musk, besides the obvious. All right, see you later. Thanks for your time. Peace.